is what we woke up to this morning. You can't see it very well, but it's still snowing out there. And there's a 20% chance all day, including now. So we'll see how much more snow we get. The boys are pretty excited. It's nice and toasty in here, but the bummer is when you drag all this inside because we don't have a mud room. What I wanted to show you guys is how I store our winter gear. So their coats are out because these will start getting used a lot. We're in Colorado, it's October, could snow, could be 60, you never know. But all their snow pants, and then Jordan and I have heavy jackets stored in here. And it doesn't take up hardly any weight, and then I just throw it under the bed. So I just pulled it out because they're gonna go play in the snow, but a really easy fix for us. So we came to the library and ran into the neighbors. So the boys are having a blast playing inside where it's warm. What do we do today, guys?
We went to the library and played with our friends, Leroy.
With Leroy?
Uh-huh.
Did we just run into him there? Was it kind of fun?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, what'd you guys play?
Kitchen and blocks and costume. No, not costumes. Puppet show and potato man and stuffed animals.
Oh, sounds like a good time. Do you guys like the library?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Do we go there pretty often?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it warm in the library?
Uh-huh.
I finally did it. I've been blenderless for an entire year. We burn through them really fast. We make smoothies, and I just couldn't find it in the budget to order a Vitamix. But on Groupon this week, they had one of the older models, factory reconditioned for $200, which is a steal of a deal for a Vitamix. So I ordered it. Hopefully it's as good of a deal as I think it is. And we are gonna have the best blender ever. Being that we live in an RV, our kitchen tools are very limited, and I only keep things that are really useful to us. But smoothies are great for on-the-go breakfast. Easy. I can also make nut butters in it, so I'm stoked. Let's see. Woohoo! Maybe. It's a little bit heavy. I'm super excited about this guy. He is the basic model. There is nothing fancy about him. He's got 3 speeds, on, off, and then the pulse. But I am so excited to add this to our kitchen.
So Graham is turning the lights off. Oh, see that? That's how he's turning them on and off. And I'm turning them back on. And watch what he does. Turns them right back off.
So I'm trying to get projects done, but I have a teething, cranky baby this week, so he was just napping in the carrier. Of course I started, set the camera up, and he woke up. So we'll see how this goes. But this Backsplash I have never liked about the camper. It was one of the first things we noticed, well, I noticed when we walked into it originally. Not my style, don't care for it, don't care for the color, I don't like it at all. So I have had quite a few friends who have used the stickytiles, the sticky ones, and I'm going to give these a shot. This part we have behind the stove, and then we also have it behind the coffee bar. I'm going to pull it out and we're going to try the stickytiles. Hopefully I like it. It's gray. Our floors have some tan and gray in it. The boys area is gray. The curtains gray and tan. So just trying to keep everything really cohesive. I love subway tiles. White was not going to look good in here, and we have renovated a camper and I did everything white, and it was a no-go for our family. We only had 2 little boys then, and terrible idea. So if you have lots of little kids, I don't suggest you paint everything white. But I'm going to put these up. Hopefully it turns out well. Wish me luck. So there was seal along the bottom of it, caulking. So I got that removed off the counter. I'm going to spray. I use vinegar for pretty well everything to clean. I'm going to spray the back wall and the countertop there, and then the side wall too, just so that I have all the grime cleaned up. I'm going to wipe that all up, and then I'm going to start applying the tile. Do you guys ever stare at a project and overanalyze because you're a little nervous to get started? That's what I did. And now that I have this up, it's cake. What are you guys?
Nothing.
You're nothing? What are you, Easty?
Night.
A knight. We are all done at Hallelujah Night. Did you boys have fun? What was your favorite part?
All of it.
All of it? Was there anything you really liked? What?
Games.
All the games? What about you, Ray Ray?
All the games.
All the games? What about what you're eating?
Popcorn. Favorite.
There you have it. Popcorn and games.
This is our go-to pizza place.
And beer. Oh, I don't have a beer yet.
They got the pizza oven back there. We usually order 3 or 4 different pizzas just because they're so good. We'll take the leftovers home if there is any. We usually eat most of it though. Boys get the mac and cheese. They get some dough to play with while they wait. And it's also a brewery. So they got some pretty good beer that we indulge in. You'll just try a little bit. That's all.
was dinner?
Good. Dough.
You got dough? What'd you have for dinner?
Pizza and mac.
Pizza and mac. If you are in the Montrose, Colorado area, sorry for the camera, guys. Colorado Boy is fantastic. It's a frequent of ours. We love it. So if you're in the area, definitely check that one out. Great food, great beer, delicious. It is about 2 o'clock. I'm supposed to be ready to roll when Jordan gets off work. Not gonna happen. He's supposed to be off between noon and 3. So we're at the end of that. I still haven't made it over to get a bag to pack. All the clothes are laid out, but that's as far as I got. But it's the first day that it's been warm. On Instagram, there's a fun hashtag RV Sticker Club. And so all the RVers, not all, but a whole bunch of us, has stickers made. And then we swap and we we follow each other, support one another on their journey with questions, things like that. So it's super fun. But it's the first day it's been warm, and it's the first day I can put stickers on the rig, and I have a whole stack of them. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here is our front hatch. And all kinds of stickers. So we don't have as many as a lot of you guys, but we do have quite a few. And we love to support all of them, and we love that they're supporting our journey too.
In the chaos of getting everything ready to head back to the Front Range to visit family, we forgot to record and tell you all where we were going. So we're headed to the Front Range to celebrate our youngest one's first birthday. It was a week or so ago, but we were able to finally make it down and have an official party with family.
Did he do that?
Yeah.
I turned away to look at Easton.
Get it, Graham.
Well, you do it. You do it.
Can you get it?
I can do it.
Okay.
Can you lick it?
Put your head in it. Put your face in it.
Take a bite.
Do it.
Take a big
Do
bite.
it. Do it.
Take a big bite, you see?
Come on, this is your chance. She's giving you permission.
Take a big bite.
Do it. Is that a carrot one too?
Yeah.
Up there? Is that cool?
Hey, Dad, what happened?
Oh, Jordan didn't know what he was doing. He crushed the ground.
Oh! Is that really what happened, Jordan?
It's all my fault.
So of course we stopped videoing. My dad brought the drone down to land it here, and it got caught in the rail there. Luckily it didn't fall off the edge of the deck, but he's gonna go get some new propellers so we can take it back out again.
We're at my parents' place here in Montrose, Colorado. The boys are on the skid steer with my dad right now. They are obsessed with the skid steer and the tractor and the side-by-side. They would ride those things all day, and they generally do when we come down. My dad will usually be carrying them in because they fell asleep while they were riding. They like to have a lot of fun. We're gonna make a little flat area right now. My parents picked up a swing set from some friends that we're gonna put here at their house so that they have a play set to play on when we come visit. So the boys are with my dad in the skid steer. They're gonna clear out a flat spot now. Right now he's gonna try and rip out all the weeds and stuff right now. And then we'll probably get the bucket on, do a little leveling, put some fabric down, and then we will put some gravel on.